Abi Ashewo. What you remain?
Talking about that Ashewo, do you know your body count like this?
My mama, my papa, in case you are listening right now, please make una come out for Wazobia FM because the body count you don't pass.
It's not possible. It's too late. They are hearing you now.
You don't pass 500.
You don't pass 500.
Yeah.
It's not that much.
Yeah.
500 not that much.
No, Yabi.
Is it possible for you to just make you not do anything sex for like, let's say 1 month? Is it possible to just celibate?
December I quit, but now I know me say me cannot still do now.
Okay, now that's audio something they do when you say give it out to Christ. You don't really mean them.
No, I mean I don't give my life to Christ. I don't.
But you give it out to Christ. They do the low thing.
No, I don't do the Olosho thing. I don't stop her from December.
Okay.
But I still didn't. Now one God knows me. You know knock now.
Okay, all right. But like how much did they charge?
That time.
In Naira. Let's start for our local currency.
Oh, in Naira, 3 million.
3 million?
Yes.
That's for a whole month. I mean 1 night.
For like 1 hour, 2 hours.
If you find person will love you, go stop this thing.
No, unless maybe the person get financial stability where you won't give me.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.